Hi everybody, and welcome back to Organised Joy. Today we are at the secret room with Emma, who is out of picture but now into picture.
Sorry.
No, it's totally cool, just putting your notes down. And Emma owns the secret room in the Riverside Shopping Centre. She is a fashionista, a stylist, a trends guru, the owner. She has amazing inspiration into lots of different amazing things. I really wanted to do a video about various winter trends that you will see coming through and how you can make that work in your wardrobe. And it was so obvious for me to come to the secret room and do it with Emma. We've worked together before, but I also just love her boutique. If I could be here all the time buying all her stuff, I would. So we're here with Emma and we're going to spend some time with her, and she's going to give us all the bits and bobs that we need to make our winter wardrobe look amazing. So thanks, Emma, for joining me.
Hi Joy, thank you for having me.
And I think what is probably best is we're going to just let Emma talk about various things rather than ask her questions, and we'll ask questions as we go along if we have any.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Great.
Thanks.
So I just wanted to start by just covering a few of the key winter trends, and I always start with the Pantone colour of the year, and for 2018 the Pantone colour of the year is ultraviolet,
which is awesome.
It's beautiful.
Yeah,
very rich and vibrant and bright. And then the rest of the winter palette for 2018 has the traditional sort of autumn tones, and then it's highlighted with a few unexpected colours. A few of the trends, and some of them might sound a little bit crazy, and I think when you see them on the catwalks at Fashion Week, and that they are over the top and a little bit wild, but it's really about taking what you need from those trends and just adding small bits and pieces of it to your everyday wardrobe. So this winter is all about celebrating individuality and individual style. So it's about your take on the trends that are coming through and how you put them together. We notice that the trends are heading more for comfort at the moment. The lines are quite protective as well, so there's lots of cozy knits, things to wrap yourself in, lots and lots of padding. So puffer jackets are everywhere, whether they're short, long, capes, they're all over the show. Wow. So puffers are everywhere. Unexpected prints being put together, so very much towards the folk art sort of styling. So in the background here, I don't know if you can see on camera, but we've got a brand here called Maria's Bag. Now that is all woven by hand, all unique and individual. So these sort of patterns mixed and matched with florals, stripes, dots, so all unexpected and different textures put together, and anything goes, which is a little bit scary, but it's also quite exciting as well.
But it's really nice because in winter you so often end up wearing black. Well, people often do, and your wardrobe is often made up of that. So something like that can really make you pop out and stand out in different ways, right? And
also if you're wearing black, you know, if you're in a corporate position and black is one of your day-to-day sort of suits and jackets and skirts and things, you can always add your little pop of colour underneath your jacket with a funky little t-shirt or something with a little bit of brightness and pattern. Bring it into your handbag, a scarf, or on the footwear side of things. Brilliant. Another trend that I really love is denim, and it's all about denim on denim. Now a couple of years back everyone would have been horrified by the thought of denim on denim, but it really is on trend at the moment, but it's very tailored. So it's denim top and bottom, but ultra tailored, so it's chic denim blazers with really sort of tailored denim jeans, which gives it a very elegant look. So,
and just the blue denim or any denim?
Any denim.
Okay.
Yeah, and we're mixing denims as well. We're mixing dark with light, light with dark. So there's a lot happening there as well.
For me.
Yeah, I know you love denim.
I love jeans.
So that's a really big trend that I'm loving at the moment. Then we also spoke about cozy knits as well. So lots of nice big chunky knits as well, and then there's also sort of detailing on the knits, so there's fringing, and then the knits tend to have a little bit of a stretched out look, so they're slightly oversized. The bottom of the hems are a little bit unstructured, and they're sort of curved, and so it's quite a sort of relaxed look, which is comforting for winter. The trend that we also saw last year, and it's been around for a while, are all the brightly coloured faux furs.
Yes.
So this season we move into mixed bright colours, so you get a whole lot of colours in one jacket. So you see there's a lot of these faux fur coats coming through. I just bought myself one it's leopard print, but then it's got these bright cuffs. There's other ones that have all colours of the rainbow sort of all together in one, so it's really quite statement and bright as opposed to one flat colour. And I think that's it's a trend to have fun with. So you could be quite serious underneath, and you can just throw on that and have a little bit of fun with it as well. And I'm just going to touch on a few more trends that we see coming through. So workwear and tailoring is also big for the winter season.
Okay.
But it takes suits? Not necessarily suits. It takes on a bit of a different feel to it. So it's about tailoring, so beautiful pants, beautiful tailored skirts and jackets, but it's about layering it. So you'll find you might be wearing a pair of pants and there's a skirt that's gone over the top of it. So it's really taken to sort of another level. Or you would see sweaters underneath dresses, and so it really is all about layering your pieces. And as I said, some of the trends are like a little bit over the top when they go down the runway, but you put your sort of take on that.
Cool.
So that's also beautiful. And then leopard is back.
I love leopard
again
as well. Yeah.
So for me,
it never really go away.
I don't think it does. For me, it's an absolute classic. I think leopard can be really elegant if it's put together in the right way. And so for me that's really exciting, and the one faux fur jacket that I bought myself is leopard print, and I'm very happy that I managed to find that one, and hopefully I'll be sourcing some and we can get them in store as well for the winter season coming.
So is that into everything, like pants, shirts, jackets? Everything.
Leopard is, so you could
you wouldn't wear it all together, but you're finding it in all kinds of pieces.
And if you're not, there's nothing nicer than a nice sort of all black with a little funky leopard ankle boot. Or you could do a little scarf or shirt and just sort of put it together. It doesn't have to be head to toe. It's about having a statement piece. And then for this winter, the coat is really important. Coat or jacket, they're statement pieces. So it's really great to have a nice classic jacket, and hopefully by now we should all have a classic coat or jacket or blazer in our wardrobe. This is about having fun with the coat and with the jacket. So it's printed, it's colourful, it's bold, you can belt it. So the jacket is the statement piece. So keep it very plain underneath. In summer we saw the same sort of thing happening, but that was with the kimono style jacket. So for winter it's similar, but obviously with the heavier weights and the faux fur. And for me, it really is. Fashion is. We have to be on trend with some of the pieces and the colours that we bring into store. But fashion is really, for me, it's about knowing what suits you, what suits your figure, and how to wear things well, and feeling comfortable in the things that you wear. And then you take a few risks here and there with some of the fun fashions and trends, that's
I guess when trends come into play, it's also about picking one or two. You don't have to go and get the leopard in every single item in your wardrobe. It's about finding the things that can suit your current look and style, right? And hopefully ones that you can maybe take into another season. So a handbag is never something that, it won't go out as long. There's places you can use it again, right? That's really what I'm trying to say. Or a pair of shoes as well.
And I think that's important. I think when you are looking at investment pieces for your wardrobe, you need to look at handbags, things that are going to take you from season to season, and those are pieces that's worthwhile spending money on
to invest in.
Invest in, absolutely. And then if you want to add your fashion pieces, that's when you can go to your Zara's, your H&M's, Woolies, just to add those pieces. It's a season, you can wear it and you can throw it away.
So I think it feels okay throwing it away when you haven't spent fortunes on it.
Exactly, and that's how you build a clever wardrobe.
Yeah, you're 100% right.
Yeah,
that's good advice.
Yeah, and fit is really important as well. When you're purchasing classic items, whether it's denims, jackets, or coats, the tailoring is really important. And again, things that you can take it from year to year.
Yeah, and I think that's also something I've learned along the way, is that tailoring is so important. Sometimes we'll buy something and it's slightly big, or the arm is a little bit too long, and you kind of leave it, and you shouldn't. Like one of those shirts that I bought here that I came and had changed the other day, I had literally the cuff moved up because it was just too long for me, and by lifting it up I wear the shirt so much more than I ever was before, because now it fits properly. And it's not expensive to do, to make sure that if you're investing in a serious piece, you should invest in getting it to fit you correctly.
No, I couldn't agree with you.
I learned that from you. Cool.
So
thank you so much, Emma.
Thank you.
Those are really, really awesome tips, and I look forward to seeing some leopard print and ultraviolet, and maybe some faux fur. Could be nice. So if you haven't hit subscribe, please hit subscribe now. We're going to link the secret room below for you as well, so that you can get onto their website and follow them on Instagram, etc. All the links will be below. Emma does have an online store that sells various items, so you can also head on over there. But her store is also amazing, and you'd want to come and spend some time here.
I'd be happy to have everyone here.
Cool. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.